The front elevation of a house showcases the front door, entryway, windows, front porch of the building and anything that presents itself when you view the house from the front. Therefore, when designing a house, a lot of emphasis is laid on the front elevation as that their guest and visitor form first impression. One of the main features of a front elevation is the main gate. So in this video I am going to show you some stylish design for the main gate that will enhance the beauty of your home. Please watch the full video and also subscribe my channel. The front elevation gives an insight into the taste of the homeowners. When building a house, people spend a lot of money on choosing the main gate. Let us take a look at some of these stunning front gate design ideas. The iron gate are somewhat common, but you don't have to be plain boring when opting for an iron gate. Go for bold colors, style, and different design. When choosing this design for the main gate, there are intricate symbolic design on the iron gate, or you can go for the typical grill gate made of iron. Whatever you choose and select, it should harmonize well with the rest of the house design. The main gate plays a significant role in adding character and personality to the house design. It urges strangers passing by and visitors to form an opinion about your home and lifestyle, but it also satisfies the functional requirement of providing privacy. Although gates are made of wide variety of material like iron, wood, steel, aluminum are the most popular due to their strength and durability. They also have unmatched classic elegance that boosts the style of the gate. The drive-away gate should be a preview for the rest of the property. For instance, on Ornate Road, iron gate opens in front of the stately home. A wooden gate would be more suited for a cabin or a ranch-style house. An aluminium gate slides open in front of a more modern design. Not only are the different design options from gate material to accents, but there are different ways a gate can operate. Electric gates that automatically open are easier to drive through. Manual gates require a little less maintenance without the need for a power source. There is a gate design that's right for you. Contact the security specialist at Security 5 for more inspiration and installation ideas for your home gate design. The right gate design sets up the expectation of what lies beyond a private place that highly regards security and style. Gates also help to enhance the beauty of your home, increase property value, and could also help decrease home insurance because of its security features. A sliding low-height gate with built-in geometric patterns give a pleasing view of the main door and front yard. The main entrance for vehicle is securely designed with an automatic locking system, while there is a separate pedestrian gate on the side. A simple gate with horizontal bars can also be an attractive piece of art when it is set aimed elegant stone walls with pergola-style cement posted above it. The design gives tasting glimpse of the house within, which is hidden from street view by the tall boundary walls. If you are looking for a modern and chic design for the main gate, then these types of front doors will best suit your needs. You don't have to spend a fortune in bringing style into your home. If you don't like intricate design for your main gate, then go for smart metal doors, handles, and a big wooden door. Metal door handles and the strong wooden doors will fulfill its function of providing you safety while not compromising on style. So these were some of the best design for the main gate. You can also subscribe my channel for more design. If you like the video, please hit on the like button. Thank you for watching the video.